Alright, here's the fleet today. Guys all know about my buddy's Radical G20 Gasser with the Line T-Rex 600 tail upgrade, and yeah, still got the 700 there. The Raptor 60, this blue one, man, all I need is a fuel pump. Put some nitro fuel in that baby. We're going to fly. My 50 back there with the co-pilot on her. I need a tail servo, and I gotta put a throttle servo on her. This one right here, these orange KBDD blades look much better with that canopy. What do you guys think? I like this 450 right here. The CYXS2 is still one of my favorite gyros. And the K-bar on the lemon line. And still, that's my first 450 there. 600, 500. That's my 250. That's my MCPX. This was a Raptor 30. I converted to a 50. And this is my 60 that I have a motor and tail boom to convert to a 90. Yep, we increased the head speed on the 700 a little bit. I was doing 2,000 before. I'm going with 2,100. But those are my babies. Damn, them a lot of babies. Thanks for watching, all y'all, and for your support, help, advice, and everything. That's why they call me Ricky.